Deepfakes are synthetic media in which a person in an existing image or video is replaced with someone else's likeness. While the act of faking content is not new, deepfakes leverage powerful techniques from machine learning and artificial intelligence to manipulate or generate visual and audio content with a high potential to deceive. The main machine learning methods used to create deepfakes are based on deep learning and involve training generative neural network architectures, such as autoencoders or generative adversarial networks. Deepfakes have garnered widespread attention for their uses in celebrity pornographic videos, revenge porn, fake news, hoaxes, and financial fraud. This has elicited responses from both industry and government to detect and limit their use. Photo manipulation was developed in the 19th century and soon applied to motion pictures. Technology steadily improved during the 20th century and more quickly with digital video. Deepfake technology has been developed by researchers at academic institutions beginning in the 1990s and later by amateurs in online communities. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.